Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big update which is coming here from Accenture. Many students from batch of 2022, 2023, and many other batches has received Accenture Open House Connect mail. And now they are confused. Is it mandatory to join? Is it only for selected candidate? Is everyone getting this? Is it for physical examination? So that I am going to discuss in this particular video. Okay, now, so friends, few days ago many of the students had received the physical examination survey where you had to select the examination dates. Okay, it was 29th and 30 September, and then 4th and 5th of October, right? Okay, so once you selected the slots, right, and after that you will be getting the confirmation mail for the examination. Many of the student has also received it. Okay, so many of the student has also received it, and the other student will be receiving, and also you will be receiving your admit card. But when, and it might be 2 days before, 3 days before, so you have to wait here. Okay, fine. After the physical examination survey mail, now students are receiving this Accenture Open House Connect. Okay, before that, friends, I don't know how you were preparing for your physical examination. Basically, I mean in the physical mode from the offline. So from the center, Accenture examination will be conducted. So if you're really serious about Accenture and wanted to crack, then this crash course is helping a student a lot. Here you can see, study my Accenture exam and I cleared both the rounds. These videos were very, very helpful. Friends, if YouTube videos are making so much impact, then definitely this crash course plus free mock test series will definitely help you to crack the examination. Okay, so if you have not got it, get it right now. And most of the questions will be coming from this crash course, or similar type of questions will be asked from this crash course. The link is in description. Okay, and also if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the exam notification or any kind of mail if you receive. Now the question is, what is Open House Connect mail? So like this mail you are getting, at the heart of every great change is a great human. Okay, now as you gear up to embark your career journey, we would like to invite you to our Open House Connect. At Accenture we offer, please try to understand, at Accenture we offer boundaryless opportunities with limitless possibilities for charting a promising career. During this event we will talk about how you can bring your skills, curiosity, and your best true self to the work. So friends, basically this particular Open House Connect session is not mandatory to join, because they will be telling about like what, basically, see, they wanted people to join some kind of webinar which they are conducting. Okay, so meet us at our Open House Connect. See, at Accenture we offer boundaryless opportunity with limitless possibility for charting a promising career. During this event we will talk about how you can bring your skills, curiosity, and your best true self to work. So basically they will tell you, so what all technology Accenture is working, what all skills you need to develop. Okay, all those things. They are not going to talk anything regarding the recruitment process or your physical examination process. No, so it is not mandatory to join. But what I will say, friends, so on September 27th 10 a.m. onwards, so just join it, attend for some time and then leave. Okay, but it is not mandatory to join. They're not going to talk anything about your examination results or selection mail, nothing. Okay, and this, so don't think this mail the people who are getting, who has cleared the Accenture exam, no. Okay, so who has cleared, no, no. So this everyone is getting. So even if you have not written the examination, if you have just applied for Accenture, then they are also getting it, right? So you can say everyone is getting this. Okay, is it only for selected candidate? No. So this is just, so suppose if I have some webinar and I am sending you guys email that please join this kind of, so that maximum people joins. Okay, so that is the only intention here. So there is nothing related to your recruitment careers and all, right? So most of the students were asking the same thing. So I hope you will get the clarity, and please be checking out our channels. Okay, so that you will be getting all the updates here. Fine, thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.